Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to start an Amigurumi doll using a magic circle. Before you begin this project, you should be comfortable with holding a hook, with your yarn tension, and making single crochet. To make a magic circle, you're going to start with the end of your yarn. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to wrap it around my left hand. Make sure you're making an X, crossing it over. You're going to go under the first part of the yarn and grab that top string and then chain one. And that is how you make your circle. Now we're going to continue to make single crochets inside that circle. That's one single crochet, and we'll make 6 total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can count to make sure. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to pull the end of the string tight so we can't see that open space any longer. And that is how you do a magic circle. Now, just to show what it kind of looks like, we'll continue in the round. We'll place 2 single crochet in each of the stitches. First, we'll mark that last stitch so we don't lose our place. This first stitch, for me, can be a little tricky to get into. It can be snug. Do 2 single crochet into that first stitch. 2 single crochet into the second stitch.
You can count in places. You can see where there are 2 in one stitch. You can trace around.
The last stitch. And then we'll move our stitch marker as if we're working a pattern. So that kind of gives you an idea what it looks like starting with a magic circle. You can pull it a little more snug if you need to. That's the outside of the doll, and that will be the inside of the doll. If I was doing a spot or some kind of applique, I normally sew this in, which is in another video. But that's it, magic circle.